Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Assurant for mobile phone insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. First, start by visiting the Assurant website. Locate the section dedicated to mobile phone insurance. Here, you will find details about coverage options and plan features. Evaluate the various plans available to determine which one suits your needs. Once you have selected a plan, click on the option to enroll. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. Provide the necessary personal information to set up your account. Next, you'll need to input details about your mobile device. This includes the make, model, and any additional specifications. Review the terms and conditions provided during the enrollment process. Once you agree to the terms, you can proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. After enrollment, you should receive a confirmation email. Make sure to save this email for future reference. Now that you're enrolled, familiarize yourself with the claims process. In case your phone is lost or damaged, visit the Assurant claims page. Log into your account using your credentials. Follow the prompts to file a claim quickly and easily. You will be asked to provide information about the incident. Be prepared to upload any required documentation, such as receipts or photos. Submit your claim and wait for confirmation of your submission. Assurant typically reviews claims within a few days. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your claim status. If your claim is approved, you will receive information on the next steps. This may include a replacement device or repairs, depending on your situation. If you have additional questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. They can guide you through any issues you may encounter. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to effectively using Assurant for mobile phone insurance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.